it's your boy, A-Wal. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video to show you guys the new Mac Studio that just came in the office. Just to kind of go over a few little quirks that I noticed about the machine and kind of give you guys a first look at it. We're not going to go over the paperwork, that's kind of irrelevant. Same old same. Great box as usual, which you'd come to expect. But the Mac Studio is hiding a bit more inside that silver box than you'd expect. First off, let's take a moment to admire that cloth handle. I don't know why we'd admire it, but I like it, and I'm going to keep it. Nice pull tab effort there as well. Let's start talking about the machine here. Now, if you could see it in the front, you've got an SD card along with two USB-C ports. On the back as well, we're going to be looking at some more I/O, which is fantastic. We got a headset, HDMI cable, two USB-A, Ethernet, and 4 Thunderbolt ports. You could hook individual displays up to each one of them, or whatever you might like. Vents in the back look really sharp. Instant connection to whatever display or that you happen to be using. This one happens to be the studio display, which it's meant to pair with. As you get things set up, one thing that you'll notice is that the first thing it asks you to do is to hook up a Apple mouse and Apple keyboard. Now, what happens if you don't have those? I'm not sure. I just so happen to have them, but I guess if you don't, you have to go out and buy them. The keyboard starts at $150 by itself, so be prepared to add that math in whenever you purchase the item itself. So, because it does not come with either a keyboard or a mouse, so a little bit disappointing, but that's how Apple decides they want to do it. My suggestion: buy the keyboard and mouse, return it after you get it activated, because you can hook up your own Bluetooth keyboard to it and your own mouse as needed. I'm not sure why Apple decided to go with that software limitation, but I hope that they do up in that, because it's a kind of a sneaky way to try to get people in your walled garden, and one that I'm not a fan of. But I just wanted to take a moment and give you guys that first impressions. I'll probably have some more videos down the pipeline comparing the Mac Studio to my MacBook Pro, seeing the pros and the cons of the portability of one versus the power of the other. Anything else you guys want to see or hear, feel free to hit me up in the comments. As always, I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys have a good one. Take care.